Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is using subtraction to solve equations. In the upcoming questions, we will be seeing how subtraction can be used to solve the equations. The first one says solve for x, and we are given an equation x plus 3 equals to negative 1. Let's understand the concept with the help of this question. X plus 3 equals to negative 1. To solve the equation means we have to find out the value of x in this equation. Now we see that on the left hand side of the equality sign we have x plus 3. In order to find out the value of x, we have to do away with this 3 from here. To make this positive 3 as 0, very simple is we subtract 3 from here. Now, in order to maintain the balance of the equation, we have to do similar operation on the right hand side of the equality sign as well. So that means negative 1 minus 3. This is very important, otherwise the answer will go wrong. That is, similar operation is to be carried on the either side of the equality sign. Now you see here we have used subtraction. That is, our topic says using subtraction to solve the equation. Now we'll solve this. A positive 3 and a negative 3 makes it 0. Now we have two numbers that are negative on the right hand side. Negative 1 minus 3. Two negative numbers we add and keep the negative sign in the answer. So x plus 0 is simply x equals to negative 4, which is the final answer and can be seen in option B. For better understanding, let's look at some more questions. Solve for x. X plus 4 equals to negative 3. Now here we have a positive 4 with the x. Now in order to make this 0, we will subtract 4, again very important, from both sides of the equation. Now this plus 4 and minus 4 becomes 0. Now we're left with only x. Two negative numbers we add, 4 plus 3 is 7, and keep the negative sign in the answer. So our final answer becomes x equals to negative 7, which can be seen in option D. Let's try another example. Solve for x, and we're given x plus 3 equals to 1. Now in order to find out the value of x, we need to isolate this, which means we have to remove this plus 3. A positive 3 can be removed by subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation. Now this positive 3 and negative 3 becomes 0. Here we have one positive number and one negative number, so we subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Keep the sign of the bigger number. 3 is the bigger number out of 2 and has a negative sign in the answer. So we have x equals to negative 2 as the final answer, which can be seen in option B. I hope using subtraction to solve equations is not a difficult task anymore. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.